Hello, welcome to the Education Matrix channel. In today's video, we're going to meet St. James, a rock star. He believes he found a way to avoid taxes on his Iraqi dinar profits. Let's take a look at his so-called plan. I'm Sandy Ingram, aka C. Ingram, registered with the IRS since 1999. My Department of Treasury ID is available upon qualified requests. To implement tax savings techniques mentioned in this video, you will need to employ the services of a tax attorney. Now, I have never spoken to you about this exact technique for lowering and or avoiding taxes legally. But I can say this to you, I am not qualified to teach on this subject. However, I am qualified to refer you up to a tax attorney. Are you ready? Let's get started. St. James travels the globe. He already has an international tax attorney who has experience in foreign income taxation. Now, St. James is single. He has no dependents and no spouse. St. James has 50 million dinars that he paid approximately $50,000 for US dollars over the years. He sells his dinars to an international corporation for $70,000. He reports the sale of the capital gains profit to the IRS, which is approximately, $20,000. If St. James owns the international corporation, the IRS would or could have a legal problem with the transaction if they were to follow the money. So my advice to you is don't take the chance. But of course, talk to the tax attorney and he'll probably tell you the same thing. But what if the international corporation purchases 20 million dinars or 50 million dinars? What if the dinars are sent to the international corporation? Let's say in the Cayman Islands. The Cayman Islands has no corporate taxes and they have no income tax, no property taxes, no capital gain taxes, no payroll taxes, and no withholding taxes. Oh, how sweet the Cayman Islands is. You want to go there? I went there, and there's a bank almost on every corner, and there were so many Rolls Royces just, gliding through town. It's an island of the wealthy. You want to go there, trust me. Now, here's the bad news. When or if you distribute the money to yourself in the United States, you will be taxed. You want to talk to your tax attorney about the details of this and know that the U.S. will still impose a minimum tax on your assets, your foreign assets, thanks to the 2017 tax reform. Now, here's what else you don't want to do. This is a list of famous Americans who renounced their U.S. citizenship to avoid U.S. taxes. And let me give you a little heads up about why you may not want to do this. The IRS and the FBI openly admit that they intentionally follow the financial actions of people who renounce their U.S. citizenship, especially when taxes are involved. You don't want the IRS or the FBI watching you for anything. You do not want to become a person of interest. Plus, it costs 4 figures to even turn your passport in. Don't do it, people. Don't do it. I know America's got some issues, but you know what? When you travel the world, you will appreciate America more because you will understand the value of the United States.